Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Gemini, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Gemini, we are picking these cards, guys, and I'll be picking one card from the Wisdom Oracle guidance for you all. So that will be a general guidance, what we can do every day, guys. So and also it may answer some doubts or confusion we have in our mind, guys. Gemini, so let's start with these cards first. We have Bear, Whips, and Tree. So in your situation, guys, Gemini, there are people in your life today. Maybe there may be one person in your career or in your relationship, maybe, guys, or someone from your family. So they are trying to dominate you or control you in some ways. They have honest intentions towards you, guys, but they are suggesting or advising you certain things, and you are unable to listen to them because it is something which you cannot do, guys. Maybe they are speaking against your love, and that is hurting you, and or certain things they are asking you to leave this person, so they do not like this person you love. So some kind of what to say, something is really bothering you, and they are criticizing you, maybe, guys, because you are not able to do what they like. So they are always nagging you or constantly trying to irritate you, guys, in your situation, Gemini. So this person is really a pain for you, and you're not what to say, you cannot leave them also. So they are someone important to you. That may be the reason for troubles in your situation, guys, Gemini. And I also see that you are trying to build a strong, secure situation for yourself in your career or in your personal life. You are working hard, trying your best, trying to do the right things for you, choose the right things for you in your work situation or in your relationship, guys. Maybe you are trying to deepen this relationship. That may be the reason this person is speaking against it. Maybe you want commitment with this person, you are planning for marriage, and they do not like this person you love. That may be the reason they are speaking against this relationship, guys, Gemini. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So this person is against you. They are doing things to break this love, guys, Gemini. So you need to be careful with this person. So let's see what is your Wisdom Oracle guidance. We have come to the edge. So it just means that in our situation today, maybe in our relationship, we are afraid to show this person what we truly are, what are our authentic feelings and emotions, and what is our past and what are our characteristics. We try to hide certain things because we feel that they may not understand us and they may not like us for what we are. But if we want a meaningful relationship, we should always build it on truth, guys. So this is not the time for you to play it safe. You have to be glad to take that leap of faith. Make this person understand you for what you are. Show them your true nature, your true qualities. So that way you will be able to build a honest relationship with this person, guys, and things will take a turn for something positive if you are willing to show them what you are in truth. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Gemini. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Gemini.